Hey, what's up, everybody? This is the 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Overland side step installation tutorial. There's not a whole lot online yet, but this is what it came out as. I completed it myself. My wife bought the side steps online and then just had it shipped. So this is originally the side piece that is going to be where this is. The instructions are very unclear on how you get the clips out, but I'll pull out the back side here to show you what the clips look like. So I've got a bunch of these little clips that are up high and impossible to get to from underneath. And then you've got these ones down low, which are the exact same thing. You can reach them, but very difficult to pull out unless you have a special tool. What most people are recommending online is that you actually just pull it right off. And so how I did that is you just reach under, you'll be able to grab the bottom of it and just pull down and out. Don't be afraid about breaking the clips. You're not gonna need them anyway once you get that done. After you get the bottom part pulled out, make sure you take off all of these front and back screws on your mud flaps, as well as on the inside tire liner. So these two right down here on the back side. Then you're gonna wanna open the door. You've got your lip of the door right here, which is actually metal. And then the plastic part will be right here, which is gonna be the top of this little fender here. So what I did was I used an actual, like a crowbar, a flat bar for woodworking. And I put some styrofoam in between it. And so you push down on the bottom and this little lip would peek out, and then I'd put the crowbar with the styrofoam in and then just pry it open to reveal this top clip. You'll just see it'll just look like that, just from my fingertip forward. So then what I did was I took a small crowbar and pushed these little lips in, and it'll pop right out. And start at the way end, either the front or the back, and work your way towards the middle. So this is gonna be the most difficult step. It's gonna be the most time-consuming step. The doors do need to be open for this step. Once you get all of the clips removed, then it's just gonna be able to pop right off. You'll take this new side step, you'll pick it up, and you'll make sure that these brackets here line up with these two holes. There's gonna be 3 of them. So one down here, one here, and one here. This is right at the middle of the back door. Then you can push in. It has the same little clips, which you can't really see, but they're right up in there. So those little clips, just like the ones that you popped off here, they look just like this, will pop right in, and that'll hold the side step on for now. Once that's complete, you're then going to put in these 2 screws on these 3 brackets, and then you're going to put these bars here on the back side and put those 2 screws in. Those are just going to be loosely put on for now. Once you have all of those on, then you're going to take a torque wrench, torque these per specs. I believe it was 9.6, maybe 9.8 for those. And then all of the other ones, these ones here, as well as these sidebars up here, are going to be at 6.6. So there should be 4 at 6.6 on this one, 4 and 4, and then 2 at the 9.8, which are up inside there, the 2 bigger ones. Once that's complete, all you have to do is reattach your tire liners and your mud flap up front, and then you're complete. I just forgot one step though. There's 6 underneath. There's also 1 right here. So this will be open. There's another bolt that's gonna be the 9.8 that goes in right there. The only thing that's special about the installation here is you're gonna need a torque nut tool. This is what it looks like. It's literally just a bolt with a washer with a nut on it. So once you pull that old one off, there are 6 little hexagonal shaped openings, which is where those 7 bolts are. This was where one of them was. The other 6 are underneath and at those brackets. You will have to use this along with the torque nuts that come with the set to be able to set those in. Those are going to be at 25 NMs for setting there. But once it's all complete, it takes about, after you get the hang of it, you could probably get this job done in about an hour and a half by yourself. You might want some help though with setting the torque nuts, because you will need to have the torque wrench in one hand and the just regular wrench in the other hand, holding the lug nut from the torque tool. So put the wrench here, torque wrench here, hold this one steady and twist. But other than that, if you guys have any questions, feel free to put any comments in the chat section and I'll try to answer them for you. Thanks.